watch you on the ones and twos through a window in a well-lit room, become a recluse. And I blame myself cause I make things hard and you're just trying to help. And when I wake up, you're the first to call. This is one more late night basement song, and I'm so sore, my voice has gone to hell. This is one more sleepless night because we don't believe in thriller, baby. But could I sit this out? This is a lesson in procrastination. I do it solely cause I'm so frustrated, and every single second that I put it off, reaching up and lonely night, I gotta race the clock. Let's say we go and crash your car, and every time I make it, don't lock the door. And I want myself picking at a chip on the shoulder. I'm another day late, and 1 year older is failure by design. And we just want sleep, but this night is hell. Sick and sunk, and I blame myself cause I make things hard and you were trying to help. I got no gas, wasn't out my gears. This is one more day on the verge of tears, and now my head hurts and my health is a joke. And now I gotta stop cause the headphones broke. We